Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am taking a look at RobotX EA for MT4, which is currently available on the MQL5 Marketplace. As always, we'll go through the product page, examine the information provided by the developer, look at the available features and settings, and then discuss the historical testing results and overall observations. All right, starting here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that RobotX EA is listed by developer Andre Kariaka. At the time of this review, the purchase price is 1,020 US dollars, while a 1 month rental option is available for 55 US dollars. The current version shown is version 1.0, and the product includes 20 activations. Okay, for those who do not know what these activations mean, the number of activations available for the buyers of this application, that's what it means. During the activation, software product is bound to the buyer's hardware so that the copy of the application cannot work on another PC. The application should be reactivated and downloaded again in order to launch it on another computer. If the activation limit is exceeded, the buyer will have to purchase the product again. So basically, these 20 activations means that the buyers can be able to use it on 20 different devices, right? So if the buyer exceeds that 20 limit, they will need to, reactivate or perhaps repurchase the expert advisor. All right, so it can be used across 20 different devices or hardwares, or something like that. Now, we are going to there is not much information presented here, but regardless, looking through the description, the developer presents RobotX EA as a fully automated trading system with what is described as a globally hidden intelligence calculation system. Right. Okay. The description also highlights that the EA comes with flexible settings, allowing users to adjust its behavior according to their own preferences and risk approach. One of the key ideas emphasized on the page is simplicity. The developer describes the EA using a run, setup, and forget concept, suggesting that once configured, the robot is intended to operate independently without requiring constant intervention. For traders who prefer automation and minimal day-to-day management, that is clearly one of the main selling points being presented here. The description also mentions that the EA performs its tasks on its own, which again reinforces the focus on automation. Beyond that, the marketplace information does not provide specific details regarding entry conditions, indicators, trade management techniques, supported symbols, recommended timeframes, or the underlying strategy logic. Because of that, it is important not to make assumptions about how the system generates trades. Okay, so moving into the historical testing section, this is where we would normally evaluate how the EA behaved over the available testing period. Whenever reviewing backtests, I always prefer seeing longer testing periods because they provide a broader view of how an automated strategy responds across different market environments, including trends, consolidations, and periods of higher volatility. But I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. From what we can see here displayed, this basically shows the EA in action. And then I can see quite a funny equity curve here. There was a massive drawdown at this point. You can see this green line represents the equity, the blue line represents the balance. So there was quite a significant drawdown at this point, and then the growth has been kind of rough. You can see this sharp rise and fall, and then kind of somewhat stagnant and rise and fall. Just a very, very gentle rise here and rise and fall again. And but let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the RobotX EA performed on Euro USD on the H1 time frame using the every tick modeling. And we are testing over the past 3 months from 21st March to 21st June 2026. All right, so looking at the report, I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was negative 9,998.52. So basically, the account was blown, right? So total trades taking, we are 636, out of which 452 were profitable, giving us a 71.07% win rate. And from what I can see here, the largest profit was 439.5. The largest loss was $504. The average profit here is 13.76, and the average loss 88.15. Okay, so this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is really bad. Okay, the risk to reward ratio is really bad. But then let's go turn on the visual so that we can also see this EA in action. All right, so when reviewing the historical chart activity, the focus should be on observing how trades were distributed throughout the testing period, how consistently positions were opened and closed, and whether the overall equity development appeared stable or highly volatile. Since the marketplace information does not provide detailed strategy explanations, any conclusions about specific trade logic would need to come directly from the actual backtest charts and trading history rather than assumptions. All right, but as for the historical testing performance, it is important to remember that backtest results are simply historical analysis. They show how the EA would have performed under specific testing conditions and should never be viewed as a guarantee of future results. Actual performance can vary significantly depending on factors such as risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and any optimization performed by the user. Overall, the RobotX EA is presented as a highly automated MT4 expert advisor with flexible settings and a hands-off approach according to the developer's description. However, the publicly available information is relatively limited. So I would strongly encourage traders to perform their own testing, optimization, and evaluation before considering live deployment. As always, treat historical results as research rather than prediction, and make sure any automated system fits your own trading objectives and risk tolerance before using it on a live account. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.